Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, like, share, ring the notification bell so that when I upload another video you'll be notified. Guys, I have cold, but I'm taking my ginger water. I have some tablets I'm taking, so I'm getting better. So guys, please take me to 1,000 subscribers. Don't forget to share the video. Don't forget to like. Share the video so that I can get more subscribers. And today we are preparing. The other day I showed you we were learning about cows. Yeah, I remember the video 2 days ago. We did a video about we want to learn more about dairy farming. So today we are preparing stand animal feed that will the cows produce more milk. So let's do it. I've never done it before. It is my first time to see how it is being done, so I'm also learning. So let's learn together. So to prepare it, you have to have animal feed, that is 70 kgs. Then you have to have molar plus, you have molasses, water, and cooking salt. Yeah, so you have to have those to be able to prepare this animal feed that make cows produce more milk. Yeah, it is the molasses. So when you prepare it, this one, the cows earn more milk, they produce more milk, and their body it glows, it makes them glow. Yeah. So to prepare, you have to have water, 30 liters of water. It's here. Then this smaller plus, this one, you want 2 liters there, and that one is molasses, 4 liters. So you've already added 2 liters of molasses and 2 liters of molar plus. You're waiting for the salt. Let's wait and see the process. So you have water, 30 liters. You want 4 liters of molasses and 2 liters of molar plus 1 kg of salt. So this is the molasses that we are adding right now. I went out and found that, came back, found that he had already added the molar plus 2 liters, and the molasses was on the process of adding. So the molasses is 4 liters, molar plus 2 liters, 1 kg of cooking salt, and 70 kgs of animal feeds. Yeah. So watch how the process goes. When you want to buy salt, you found there were only 1/4 kgs. That's why I want to add 4 of these to make it 1 kg of cooking salt. So don't ask why you're adding too many. These are 1/4 kg, so 4 of them makes 1 kg.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
You mix them well so that the salt can dissolve in the mixture. So you mix. Arapo bukatora mutundere kabo kajokira ko. Rego minyire komi. So that's it, the cow dairy feed. You pour it down. 70 kgs. For 70 kgs, you have 30 liters of water, 4 liters of molasses, and 2 liters of Mora Plus. This one is to be taken tomorrow after 24 hours. That is tomorrow at 2. Okay, Rano, okay. Okay, Puru. I have to mix well so that it doesn't drain outside. The chickens are celebrating. You want litron by litron. You don't put it at the same time because you have to mix litron by litron. If you put all of it at the same time, it will just start falling down. Chickens here. Molasses is smelling like beer. After that, then you put them in a sealed container or in a paper. You seal it in a nylon paper. If the cow eats this, they earn milk production. Alinendeke. Atu kwati.
Nè cái nhà quý ai ra? Ôi chết em luôn.
You have to mix well until it's fine.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up.
You have to make it fine. And it's wet. I have cold. That's why.
Tôi tay kia chứ. देखो mà chỉ nhân đại cái đồ của con này là sao?
Có gì đây ta? Có gì
Đại
đây?
đây cái về cái gì những cái đại cái này cái gì đi.
Cái gì đây cho mua kì?
Cái cái gì vậy? Cái nào nó có ra? Cái ra rồi.
It has to be smooth.
Karo kiete yule.
Okay.
Ya kara. Yo na ni kwa ni kwa vile. Hii na mbe yene ya mbele kulala.
Wekera kiena ara nyomba. Ah.
Shomba. Kwa tito ya kiliga.
Lakini mbairojo kethirwa kunyara. So after you do it, putting it in the container. Okay. You're storing it here. So you see, bringing it and storing it here for 24 hours before the cows can start using it. Yeah. Helps in milk production of the cows. After eating this one, don't even twist that thing. Store them here. You'll be taking it from here, feeding the cows in the morning, after milking, in the afternoon after milking, and in the evening after milking. We milk 3 times a day. In the morning, afternoon, that is noon, 12 noon. In the morning, around 5:30 to 6, or 5:30, between 5:30 to 6:30. Then 12 noon. Then at 8 p.m. 3 times a day. I think I should wake up and show you the morning routine. I'll show you how we do it. Arrange for me and daily forward, daily forward. Our milk, we sell it. We have a cooperative where you take your milk in the morning and in the afternoon. The one you milk in the evening, you store it, then you sell it in the morning together with the one that you make in the morning. Yeah? Yo juraja kweli ari. Eh. Poco tiro. So you have to put this when it is in the storm, because if you feel it from outside, carrying will be a problem.
Ayo tadi dah kanan. Kau mata tu. Mata ira lo ni ni tu agak aku ni. Tu ira aku tu agak aku ni. Ingaro.
Arafu adhiri okunekera kayo akaranya tekuneki. Wage kuneka?
Yothuka.
Kwa utebati okuneka.
Kare okuneka ira yothuka.
Ugo akuneka, kuneka kuya. This is 70 kgs of dairy meal feed. Then you cover it. If you don't cover it, it will go bad. It will spoil. It can get spoiled. So let's see how it's covered. Even me, it's my first time to see it being prepared. I haven't seen it before. So let's see it. How they do it.
Tebadinya kumbukinya nini?
Tepatie?
Kumbukinya nini? Yawo kumako.
It's telling me it's supposed to be covered completely. There's no air that is supposed to get in. Not supposed to breathe even at all. If it does, then it can get spoiled. So you have to completely close it so that there's no air that will get inside. Kekune kikieke agetere. Kunore. Alafu nandega atumire ka kwamiria rojo taja ite oro 24 hours te. Yeah, now it's done. Start using it after 24 hours. So tomorrow in the evening, that's when we start feeding the cows. We are using this because the lid of this tank I don't know where it is. That's why they are using this one. So guys, thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Like, share, ring that notification bell. See you in my next video. Bye.